This was the prediction we did yesterday, right? We said that markets will push up. This was the pullback that market did give us right yesterday. And we also said that we will be expecting our market to give us a bullish move for the day. And this is exactly what market eventually was able to push up to give us a bullish move for a drop. So this is the bullish move that market did give us. Then it was able to now drop back to give us an equal higher low right here. So with this equal higher low, we should expect market to reject and push up. So this is to tell you that for the day, we will be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to give us a bullish move. So first thing first, if you are yet to subscribe and you've not done that yet, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that once we drop an update instantly, you will not miss out on the next update. And also follow the Telegram. You will find the link to the Telegram in the comment section. So this is the trend right here on our New Zealand dollar JPY. We are clearly in an uptrend move. Market is trending what's clearly to the upside. Now, this is the movement that market did give us. This is the first high market did give us, and here comes the higher low. Market then was able to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low. Market then was able to push up again to form a new higher high, and here comes the higher low, right? Market then pushed up one more time to form a new higher high, and now market pulled back to form an equal higher low. Now, this is the equal higher low that market has eventually give us, right? Give us an equal higher low. Now we'll be expecting market to push further up till it is able to form a new higher. So that is to tell you that for the day also, for today that we are predicting for also, we will be expecting New Zealand dollar JPY to give us a bullish move. Now, if in case there's going to be any changes to this movement, I'll make sure I give you guys the updates. So make sure you subscribe so you will not miss out on the